Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can convert a file from one format to another format online. Okay, in office work or when we have some kind of assignments, so we have to convert many files from one format to another format, sometimes we need PDF files, so we have to convert the Microsoft Word file to PDF file, or sometimes we have to convert the PowerPoint presentation into PDF format, or sometimes we need to convert any other Excel sheet into MS Word format, or any MS Word format sheet into Excel format. So there are many conversions between the formats, and we need all these on the basis of our requirement. So all these things you can do, all the formats, in all the formats you can convert online with the help of one very good website, and that website is here, that is online to pdf.com. Okay, so here is the website. When you will go here in online to pdf.com, here you can see in this website you can convert any file into any format. Okay, and there is no limitation also, and it is completely free of cost. Okay, so you can see here, select the file. You will have to select any file from here, and you can convert it into any other format, like if you want to convert it into JPG, or if you want to convert it into Excel sheet or any other format, you can easily convert. So let's convert any particular sheet. Let's convert Microsoft Word file into PDF format. So I will select any file from here. So from here, let's take any file. I will take, for example, if I will take this one. Okay, so I am taking this file, and now if I want to add any other file, then I can do it from here. I can add some more files also, and all these will be combined together and will be converted into PDF format. Okay, so you can see here, if I want to convert this single file only, then that is okay. But if I want to add some other file also, like here, if I want to add some other file, like here, so you can do it like this, and many other files you can do in the similar way. Now I want to add these both file into one PDF. So you can see here, merge file option is there, and convert files separately. So you have two options now. You have first option, that you want to make only one PDF with both of these files, FSM syllabus as well as Quora question. These are the two MS Word files, and if you want to combine both into only one format, then you can click here, merge files. Okay, but if you have multiple files which you want to convert into PDF separately, then you can do it. Take the second option, that is convert files separately. Okay, so separately both the files will be converted into PDF format, means two PDF files will be created with these two MS Word files, if you are selecting this option. But right now I want to merge these two, and you can see here, convert to, you want to convert it to, which you have multiple options here also. You can convert it into PDF format. If you want to convert it into images in PDF format, that you can do. And you if there is one very beautiful option is there, that if you want to convert each page separately into PDF, you can do that thing also. So you can see how much flexibility is there in this website. And apart from this, you can convert, these are already in MS Word format, so you don't need to convert them here. But you can convert it into Excel sheet, you can convert it into PowerPoint presentations also. Okay, so you can see there are multiple options. For I want to convert it into PDF format, simple PDF format, and you can see I will click here on convert, and now it will take very few seconds, and it will give you the result. So here it is. You can see within a very small fraction of time it has converted, and two files have been converted into one. So there were two files, and now I'm going to open, and you can see this is the first file. It has been converted into PDF format. You can see here it is .pdf. Okay, and I am opening it using Adobe Reader now. So you can see this is the first first MS Word file has been converted and second has been converted just below it. You can see this is the second file. Go back here, and if you want to try any other option, like if I want to convert it into some kind of PDF, PowerPoint presentations, so you can go here also. Yes, you can see here you can convert it into JPG images also. Okay, so every format you will find it here. There are many other options. If you want to convert any file into JPG, that is also possible. So every conversion between the file formats you can do here. You will go back here and you can uh, select any other file. You can convert from PDF to Word file also. Okay, it is also possible. Let me do one conversion for you. So let's take this PDF file. You can see this is PDF file, departmental accounts name it is having. So I am opening it and I want to convert it into, you can convert it into any other format. You can convert this PDF file into PowerPoint, but I want to convert it into MS Word file format. So I will convert it, and I will click here, and now you can see it has been converted into MS Word file, and I will click here and it will be opened, and you can see this is the Word file document now. So you can see here this is the MS Word file format. Okay, so and you can see there were many pages, so there is no limitation of pages also here in this website, and everything is free of cost. Okay, let's go back here, and after this uh, let me show you how you can convert into Excel sheet. So let's select any sheet here. Suppose I want to convert any PDF file now, so I am going to choose this one. So here is the file, and I want to convert it into, you can convert it into any format, but I want to right now convert it into Excel because there are some tables here, some columns and rows are there in it, and now it has been converted. I am opening it, so you can see here I have converted it into a very beautiful Excel sheet. This was the PDF format, okay, but now it has been converted into Excel sheet format. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Keep liking my videos and keep watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.